Good afternoon. This is Whiskey and Button's litter, born September 12th. They are 5 weeks old today. There's 3 girls, 2 boys, and this litter is sold. There's one of the little girls at the top of the screen. She is the light pink collared puppy. Hello. Our little boy right here is scratching his ear. And the other little girl who's hot pink collar is sitting behind him. She's got the really dark face right here. Oh, she's getting tired. They've been playing for a while. And this is our other little girl. This is the light green. Hi, sweetie. Hi, honey. And here, there's our other little boy. So there's a light boy, and the other boy's pretty light in the face too. But he's got a little bit darker back. Are you tired, sweetheart? Okay. So the little boy is chewing on the owl right now. That's the red colored puppy. And the light pink colored female is at the top of the screen, chewing on the little pig. What? And our hot pink female, she's laying down. She's tired. She's pretty light. She almost looks like she has some gray in her too. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. And then there's our light green colored puppy, female. What, baby? I know. And there's your brother. What are you doing? Are you getting your sister's tail? Are you getting that sister's tail? So the light male is on the left. And our little female's pink collar is right there. You're not tired, are you? You're getting wild. So they're doing great. They're, as you can see, well fed. Here, go see your sister. Go see sis. Whoops, I'm getting in bed there. There's our other female. Let's see if we can put all the girls together. Come here. Come here, girls. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's the girls. Oh, and that lasted a second. And there's our little boy, blue collar right here, and our light colored little boy with a red collar. My goodness. Are you chewing on your Oh, you're getting your brother. So they're scratching a lot right now because they just got their collars yesterday, so they're not really used to them. So they're scratching at them a little bit. Yeah, I know. But we have to tell you guys apart. Okay. And there's our little girl sleeping. Trying to sleep. And like I said, she's got some gray in her, so she's going to be really pretty with her dark mask and her black ears. I know that collar, that kind of buggy girl. I know. You guys aren't tired. You're wild. You're getting wild. Yes, you are. Okay.